I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the mobile hotspot on your phone and configuring it. This gives your PC a private Wi-Fi network to join. Once done, pick a clear SSID and a strong password, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security so other devices cannot snoop. Make sure mobile data is enabled and your carrier allows tethering, because without active data, the hotspot won't provide internet. Now leave the hotspot screen visible while you switch to the PC's Wi-Fi list. On the PC, open Wi-Fi and select your phone's SSID, then enter the hotspot password. This creates the link that shares mobile internet. If you prefer USB tethering, connect the phone with USB and enable USB tethering on the phone. This often yields faster, more stable access. Once connected, confirm the PC's network adapter is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically, and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy that might block routing. Those often prevent the initial handshake from completing. Finally, verify connectivity by loading a web page or running a quick ping. If pages fail, toggle the phone hotspot off and on, then reconnect the PC. Make sure the phone isn't in low power mode or running a hotspot device limit, and try USB tethering if Wi-Fi remains flaky. If you still have issues, restart both devices and check your carrier's tethering policy or data cap. One key troubleshooting tip is to temporarily disable antivirus or firewall on the PC to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.